everyone, I am Justine of Metanoia Soapiness. I am from Paracelis Mountain Province, Philippines. Today guys, we are going to show to you how to make these scented pillar candles. This type of candles are made up of hard wax like the paraffin wax. Actually, this is a special order of one of our wholesaler. Thank you so much, Ma'am Mabel. So without further ado, let us proceed.
Yes guys, we are going to make 3 variants of pillar scented candles with the following tools and materials. We have here our molder, here is our heat gun, and of course our cotton wicks. So firstly, we are going to place a cotton wick at the center of the molder. This molder has hole at the bottom where we could insert the strands of cotton wick. This has actually different sizes depending on the number of strands. This one has 25 strands. So, using the heat gun, we will seal the bottom with the glue to prevent the wax from leakage. The glue will cool down quickly and becomes hard enough to seal the bottom. Then, with the use of a centering device, it will hold the cotton wick at the center, just as you can see. So, let us now proceed to the exciting part. We are going to weigh the paraffin wax and the citric acid as our main ingredients. These are hard wax that can form as pillar candles and can hold certain amount of fragrance oil to make it scented when cooled down. Our ratio of waxes is 85% paraffin wax and 15% of citric acid. So after melting the wax, we have to stir it properly to ensure that they are well incorporated. Using a thermometer device, we will check the temperature and add the candle colorant. There are also different forms of colorants. It could be liquid, powder, or chip. Like this one. We use blue color for our ocean scented pillar candles. So at 200 degrees Fahrenheit, we will add our fragrance oil. This can hold up to 10% of fragrance oil. So now let us pour it in our molder, and as you can see, there is a little excess that is enough on a tea light container. Now, the next variant is a fresh bamboo scented pillar candle. Same with the first variant, we are adding the fragrance oil at around 200 degrees Fahrenheit. We will stir it gently but continuously for a few minutes before we will pour it in the molder at 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, let us proceed to our third and final variant, which is the lavender scented pillar candle. We will again weigh our wax and of course the citric acid. This will give more strength to our pillar candle that prolong the burning time. So that extends the life of your candle. It also helps bring out stronger scent when lighted. For all of these three variants, our fragrance oil are from DC Daily Candle and Supplies. They have the finest fragrance oil so far for scented candles, according to our experience. So that is our opinion. Let us pour now again at 180 degrees Fahrenheit. So these are our three variants of pillar scented candles, and we just wait overnight to cool down. Ooh, we are now unmolding our scented pillar candles from the molders. Then just gently roll the wicks with a stick to create an artistic and awesome wicks. Here are the other scented pillar candles that we made ahead of time, since these are pre-ordered by our wholesaler. We just have to clean the edges and the corners of our candles to smoothen things out. This process is called bevelling. We are now wrapping them with wax papers because wax papers will not absorb fragrance oil from the pillar candles. Actually, we are already packing these orders, as you can see. At the same time, it continued the curing process while packed and in transit. Our wholesaler have ordered 10 pieces from each variant with a total of 30 pieces. Pillar candles are hard enough that it has no vessel. However, to prevent the wax from dripping when burning, you have to place the candle on top of a candle plate to catch the melted wax so it will not be messy. Now, when everything is wrapped with wax paper, we can now wrap again with a special paper like this, and we have printed our logo. This is to provide protection for our scented pillar candles when packing and in transit. So there you go. Our box can only accommodate 9 candles. Let us proceed to beveling of our fresh bamboo scented pillar candles. This smells amazing, guys. Like fresh bamboo shoots, if you know what I mean. It has a mild scent but very distinct that you can easily associate yourself with nature, like the forest or mountain dews at dawn. If you are wondering how we easily remove the hard candle wax from its molder, stay tuned, guys, up to the end of this video, because we are going to share to you an important tip in unmolding the pillar candles. By the way, these scented pillar candles are just sitting down at the countertop and not being lighted, but just serves as a decor with the scent. However, this can be lighted in the church or when camping outdoors, or even during power interruptions at night. Or if you want to have some quiet moments with your departed loved ones, you may light this in front of their chambers, if that is what you call it, and it creates a peaceful and relaxing ambience as You cherish those happy memories with them. So the next variant is the ocean scented pillar candle. The scent is just so cool and smells so good that it can bring you to the mood of being in the seashore, relaxing where you can hear the sound of the ocean and feel the tranquility of the waves. So that is how it could be best described. As you can see, we just have to bevel the edges, then wrap them with the wax paper so they will continue the curing process that produces a stronger hot throw when lighted. And then, we wrap them again with special paper printed with our logo before packing them in the box. So the tip that we wanted to share to you is, in order to unmold the pillar candles from the molder smoothly, you are going to place the pillar candles with the molder inside your fridge or refrigerator when it cooled down and is already hard enough. You can leave them there overnight or just about 30 minutes if you are making several pillar candles and you only have few molders. When you bring it out from the fridge, you can just pull out the pillar candle from the molder smoothly. So that is our tip for you guys. Now, there are 3 boxes of scented pillar candles and they're ready to be delivered. Usually, we insert 2 to 3 pieces of our brochure to introduce more about our business and other variants and products. Then, we love to add complementary items just like this hanging diffuser. So, there you go guys!
Thank you guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please click the subscribe button down below and that notification bell so you will be notified on our next video. Kindly click the like and share also. It means a lot to us. Bye for now. Stay safe. Have a good day. God bless. Bye bye.